you guys? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I go by RishaaMariee. If you're not new here, thanks for coming back. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. I drop videos every Wednesday, so you can come back and check me out, you know. And while you're here, you might as well check out my previous videos too. Just, you know, kill two birds with one stone. Okay, go ahead and do that for me. Now, I know you probably clicked on this video because of the thumbnail or the title, either one. But yes, I am doing another sew-in video. If you haven't checked out any of my other ones, I will have them linked somewhere during this video. If it's not in the description box, it'll be somewhere up in the cards. So make sure you check for those. If you've been subscribed to my channel already, you already know when I come with a blowout, I'm doing something protective. I'm doing something with my hair. So today I am doing a full closure sew-in. I've done 2 or 3. I don't really know. I think I've done either 2 or 3 on my own head. I've done them before on other people, but when it comes to doing it yourself, it gets a little, you know, wonky. So I've done it about 2 or 3 times on my own head before, and they came out pretty good. So I feel confident about this one. I'm going to be using a different type of hair, which you probably already seen. If not, you're going to see it coming this way. I don't know where I put that clip, but you will see it. And I just blew out my hair, so this is how it looks. I didn't go for a super straight look, just enough so that I wouldn't get too many tangles when I'm trying to braid it down. So I will be doing a side part. So first, I'm going to perfect this part a little better, and then I'm going to go ahead and braid down. So the next time you see me, I'll be looking like a milk dud. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and it is braided down, looking like a milk dud or peanut, like I said. So basically what I did, I just, I did the side part, and then I braided it down on this side. Well, I didn't braid it. My mom braided it for me, so thanks, Mom. She braided down this side for me, and then she went ahead and braided down this, and then in the back it's a beehive. That's the pattern that I asked her to braid for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the closure first. So with the closure, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and spray it down a little bit with some water, so like the hair can get out the way and it's not like getting all tangled up. Go in with a flat tooth comb and kind of comb all that hair back, like them baby hairs, if your closure comes with baby hairs. So what I'm doing is, here is the part, and since it's a side part, it doesn't need to be even closure on both sides, because clearly it's not that much over here, and I still want to have room to lay track. So I'm going to scoop this over just a little bit. So it's like 3/4 of the, 2/3 of the closure over here and 1/3 over there. So I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna pull it down a little bit over where that first braid lays, and then I'm gonna use two needle and threads for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this side first. Okay, so the first stitch, I went ahead and you see I left some of it out. I stitched about 3 or 4 times right there. I didn't go back. So then I'm going to grab a second needle, and then I'm going to pull this side kind of tight. Make sure I'm leaving a little bit of space. I'm not stitching right at the beginning of the braid and at the beginning of the closure. Make sure this is flat. So make sure your lace is flat, and then I'm going to just stitch a couple times over here as well.
Hold on, they young.
Okay, y'all, so both sides are kind of stitched down, just the front too. So then I'm gonna take this needle and sew this side back, And I'm going to take this needle and sew that side back. Okay, you guys, so I sewed down the sides and then I sewed down the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a few stitches in the front. I don't know if I mentioned, but this is water wave hair. And this closure is a 16 and the bundles are 18, 20, and 22. So that's the specs on that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this. I'm going to make sure I do a knot. Then I'm going to go ahead and start doing that part. So I cut it pretty far back so I can make my knot.
You know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. When you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. You're the best part. Best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up.
Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I'm making my way. I'm making some progress. So I have one bundle left, and this is the 18-inch. So what I'm going to do, instead of doubling my wefts, I'm going to go ahead and single, just so everything can lay a little bit flatter when you get up towards the front.
It makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just want to see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, 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 the best part. Oh, 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 best part. If you tell me, won't you say something? If you tell me, won't you? If you tell me, won't you say something? If you tell me, won't you? If you tell me, won't you say something? If you tell me, won't you? If you tell me, won't you say something? If you tell me, won't you? If you tell me, won't you say something? If you tell me, won't you? If you tell me, won't you say something? If you tell me, won't you?
up, you guys? So I finally came back to show y'all the finished look of this hair, and I think it looks bomb. You know, my only issue that I did have when I was doing it, it wasn't really a lot of shedding, but the ends, I don't know if y'all can kind of see. Let me like put it up against my, it's kind of like a little see-through at the end. So what I did to make it, because it looked way worse than that, what I did, I didn't want to cut it. So what I did was I did a braid out. I believe I have a video on my channel of me doing a braid out with weave. I did like a similar thing. So basically what I did, I sprayed it down with water and conditioner mix. And then I applied a little foam on top. And I did about 6 braids or so to help get that water wave texture back in it, because this is water wave hair. And normally when you get to like playing with it a lot, and it kind of loses its integrity, so just to help that integrity get back, and so it can have a lot of definition for when I was finally ready to like wear my hair. Yeah, so that is what I did. I hope you guys, let me stop touching it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. Also, I will have my other 2 sewing videos somewhere linked, so make sure you go watch those too, so you can kind of see the growth, and or tell me if you see any growth, or tell me if it's like, girl, it's the same. Tell me if you see any growth from then to there. And also let me know if you've ever tried doing your own sewing. Like, I'm not gonna say it's not that hard. It's harder. It definitely is harder than doing somebody else's, and it's definitely 10 times harder than sitting down getting it done. But also, when you do it yourself, you kind of know, like, if things go wrong, you kind of know what to do to fix it. I don't know. I just like doing my own hair. I prefer doing my own hair when it comes to most things. So yeah, I like it. I think it looks really nice. Make sure you guys let me know down below. Make sure you like, comment, share this video with other people, and of course subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next Wednesday. Peace.